Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful button art and craft ideas for you guys. So guys, these are super amazing. Guys, these are amazing. These are unique and very pretty button art and craft ideas for you guys. So guys, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. So guys, these are absolutely stunning and most amazing and very latest button art and craft ideas for you guys. So guys, keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos. And you guys also watch different her craft videos on my channel. That was amazing. And guys, if you want different other craft videos, and you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So guys, these are very amazing and very latest and very amazing ideas for you guys. And these are very cheap in prices. You guys reuse your buttons at home, and these are very classy and very stunning collections for you guys. So guys, always take care, always be happy. These are very amazing, these are very stunning button craft ideas for you guys. So guys, must subscribe my channel. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very stunning